इधर संजय है इसका, संजय पारेख, संजय पारेख है ज्वाइन,
आई थिंक नो।
नरेंद्र भाई
नहीं।
मालिक जी कोई जोक सुनाने वाला नहीं है आपका ग्रुप में?
नहीं है ना, आप ही सुना लीजिए। just to start with
हाँ नहीं नहीं, आई एम बैड एट जोक्स, so someone who can give a good joke. कामत साहब आपको एक जोक सुना दीजिए ना।
सर अभी इमीडिएटली तो याद नहीं आ रहा है कोई।
कोई भी चुटकुला, कोई भी चलेगा। माली साहब है इसलिए खाली वेज चलने वाला है।
ठीक है चलो, बस कोई बात नहीं, अभी अपन चुटकुले सुन लेते हैं। अमेरिका में एक इंटरव्यू चल रहा था, एक मॉल के लिए एक सेल्समैन की जरूरत थी, काफी कंट्री से लोग आए थे, एंड लकीली वन इंडियन गॉट दैट जॉब। तो चलो जॉब तो मिल गया, ही वॉज वेरी हैप्पी। तो जॉब के लिए गया, मॉल में जॉब कर रहा था, एंड ही वॉज गेटिंग एवरी डे, ही वॉज गेटिंग फायरिंग। आपने कुछ सेल नहीं किया, लोग आते ही नहीं, लोगों को मैं क्या बेचूं, लोग कोई मांगते ही नहीं, तो क्या करने का भी। तो ठीक है, तो एक दिन उसने एक अच्छी सी उसे आइडिया मिल गई, चलो ठीक है अभी आई विल ट्राई दिस ऑल्सो। तो उस दिन उसे हर रोज जैसा सेल्स मीटिंग में सबसे पहला उसे फायर मिल गया कि हे गाय, यू माइट नॉट हैव डन एनीथिंग। बोला व्हाट, नो आई हैव सोल्ड सो मेनी थिंग्स। क्या कितना आपका टोटल सेल कितना हो गया? मेरा टोटल सेल आप देखिए सब, मेरा टोटल सेल इज अबाव $1 million। हाँ, सब शॉक हो गए, $1 million का कैसे, आपने क्या किया? कुछ नहीं किया साहब। वो आया था एक कस्टमर, उसको मैंने एक मछली पकड़ने का ये दे दिया, काटा, और फिर बाहर एक मछली पकड़ने का काटा देने के बाद में मैंने उसे एक अपने गोडाउन में एक पुरानी नाव थी, द बोट, वो मैंने उसे दे दी। बाद में मैंने उसे बोल दिया कि भाई आप अगर वो तो वहां पे फिशिंग के लिए जाएंगे तो आपको 2-4 दिन लगेंगे, तो वो टाइम का आपके लिए कुछ तो चाहिए ना स्टफ। तो चलो ये तो मैंने उसे 1-2 क्रेट विस्की की दे दी, सोडा की दे दी, फिर खाने का दे दिया, ऐसे बेच दिया, यानी काफी माल, काफी चीज बेच दी। और वो बोला अरे लेकिन आपसे उसने कैसे खरीदा? तो बोला कुछ नहीं, मैंने उसे बता दिया भाई ये करेंगे तो ये इसका ये बेनिफिट है, ये करेंगे तो इसका ये बेनिफिट है, ये बेनिफिट है। आई वाज जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग इन ऑल द टाइप्स ऑफ बेनिफिट्स बाय हैविंग इट, एंड ही वाज रियली इम्प्रेस्ड। बोला अच्छी बात है, लेकिन वो आपके पास आया कैसे? बोला कैसे आया मतलब, आई वाज जस्ट स्टैंडिंग ऑन माय स्टॉल, ही केम देयर एंड ही जस्ट आस्क्ड मी whether I am having some painkiller because he is having some headache। तो मैंने उसे सरदर्द की दवा दे दी, भाई चलो इससे सरदर्द निकल जाएगा। लेकिन बोला आप सरदर्द जाने के बाद आपको कुछ तो चाहिए कि नहीं? सरदर्द के बाद अगर आप वापस वही माहौल में जाएंगे तो आपका वापस सरदर्द होगा, तो आप फिशिंग के लिए जाइए। इसलिए मैंने फिशिंग का काटा दे दिया। फिशिंग के लिए कैसे जाएंगे? तो इसके लिए उसको बोट दे दिया। फिर जाने के टाइम में ये दिया, वो दिया, ये दिया, पूरा लिस्ट बढ़ाते गया। तो उसको पूछा ए भाई तुमने ये सब किया, एक सरदर्द वाले आदमी को इतना चीज दे दिया। अगर नॉर्मल आदमी आता तो तुम क्या करते थे? नहीं, कुछ नहीं, नॉर्मल आदमी को तो मैं इससे भी ज्यादा दे सकता था। तो अभी तक क्यों नहीं दे रहे थे? सब अभी तक मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था। आज मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया, इसलिए नाउ आई कैन सेल एनीथिंग टू एनीवन। अरे इतना कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया? हाँ बिल्कुल। तो इतना कॉन्फिडेंस लाया कहाँ से? नहीं, सब मेरे प्रीवियस जॉब से मुझे ये सब एक्सपीरियंस मिल गया। ऐसे पहले आप क्या करते थे? नहीं, पहले मैं LIC एजेंट था। चलिए, मेरे ख्याल से 10 बज गए। सो नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट आवर सेशन। सो I welcome all the participants present here. Hello. अरे मेरा माइक म्यूट है। ये तो है ना?
नहीं, आवाज आता है
तो
clearly.
हेलो,
आवाज येतोय आवाज येतोय।
ठीक है। नहीं, क्या हो गया? सन्नाटा था ना। मैंने इतना इंश्योरेंस एजेंट की तारीफ की, तो भी ना एक ताली बजी ना एक हंसी मिल गई। तो
सर मैंने आपको मैसेज भेजा है सर, मैंने मैसेज भेजा आप।
नहीं, बिकॉज यहाँ सब इंश्योरेंस एजेंट ही है।
हाँ, वही तो बोला ना,
मैंने मैसेज भेजा इमीडिएटली।
इसलिए तो मैंने इंश्योरेंस एजेंट की तारीफ कर दी। एंड लकीली इसका अपना जो स्पीकर जो है ना, वो तो अभी मैं तो ये नहीं कहूँ कि मैंने उसका रवि कुमार इज अमिताभ बच्चन ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री।
सुबह से कोई नहीं मिला।
Now when he will speak and when he will share his, उसकी हाइट इतनी बड़ी है, उसकी हाइट इतनी बड़ी है, तो बस आप देखते ही रहेंगे। Anyway, so now I welcome all my participants on the live session as well as on the YouTube live also. There are the participants. I think on the YouTube there are nearly about 29-30 participants, and on YouTube, is anybody is on the YouTube also? Can just tell me the figure? कितनी? ठीक है। हाँ, anyway, now I will request Deepak Kumar Mane to welcome and introduce our speaker. अभी उसका तो अभी नौबत आ गई। मैंने तो अभी तक बच्चन बोल दिया, अभी वो क्या इंट्रोड्यूस करे। Anyway, दीपक कुमार माने, अब आपके स्टाइल से इंट्रोड्यूस कीजिए।
इंट्रोडक्शन तो हो चुका है।
Yes, दीपक कुमार, go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Mali, President Alika, for giving me this opportunity to introduce Mr. Ravi Kumar. Today's speaker. Today's topic is journey of insurance distributor. So I request, on behalf of Alika, I welcome Mr. Ravi Kumar and request him to start today's session. Over to Mr. Ravi Kumar.
Yeah, good morning to all of you. Warm welcome.
Yeah, good morning.
Happy to be with you all. Yeah, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Yes, sir. Yeah, thank you so much. So I am no different person, just one amongst you all. Been in with Alika for more than 30 years. Yes, and always look forward to learning, hearing, and sharing with fellow advisors and agents and friends. So Prahlad Mali is a pretty old friend of mine, and with gun on his shoulder, he came like कि कुछ तो बोलना है. I'm not a regular orator, but I can share. I will be sharing my journey, whatever little, and I will be in two parts. One, I'll be sharing little bit of journey, do's and don'ts, and whatever that I have learned, and also I will share with you a PowerPoint presentation about how we go about giving advice to clients as to what is good for them. So to begin with, let me start off by saying that first, let's pray that all of us are in good health, and all our families, friends, clients, everybody is in good health. And we also take a minute off for those fellow advisors whom we have lost due to this pandemic. There have been one or two very close friends of mine whom we have lost. I mean, definitely industry might also be knowing of them. and they are gem of a person that we lost, and it was very, very sad. Coming back to the journey of life insurance. So we say that as an insurance advisor, we have always been saying one thing, one sentence. Like right from day one, हमें यही सिखाया गया भैया, क्लाइंट के पास जाओगे तो उसको 3 सेंटेंस जो स्टैंडर्ड होता है कि अगर कल कुछ हो गया तो, या अगर आप नहीं रहे तो, या तो आप हॉस्पिटलाइज होगे या तो आपका परिवार हॉस्पिटलाइज होगा तो ये तो बहुत लंबा चल रहा था, एंड द क्लाइंट हमेशा सोचता रहेगा यार भाई ये हमेशा आते हैं तो करता रहता है। लेकिन ये लास्ट 2 साल ने जो हमें इतने सिखाया है कि ये तो जो है कि whether we have given a client, it's an introspection. These 2 years have been the testing time for us and also introspection. If we have sold or suggested the right products to the customer, कि क्या हमने सही products customers को suggest किए क्या, कि was our interest always precedent over the client's interest or client interest was always first. All the trainers over the years हमें ये सिखाया है कि the client's interest is always supersedes over our interest. हमारा गोल बनना बहुत जरूरी है, जैसे हम क्लाइंट्स के गोल बनते हैं, लेकिन क्या हमारे गोल बनते बनते क्लाइंट का गोल मिस हो गया क्या? और जब आज क्लाइंट को नौबत आई है कि उसकी जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैज टू, देख हमारा एक, I don't know how many of us give this particular letter, I am your policy, you know, so I give this to my clients in the folder, I am your policy. कभी आपको मिला गूगल में या कोई फ्रेंड्स में मिल जाएगी, वो I am your policy कहता है कि जब तक मैं फोल्डर में बैठा हूं आप सुरक्षित हो, जिस दिन आप नहीं रहे whatever reasons, मैं फोल्डर से बाहर आके आपकी फैमिली को देखभाल करूंगा. That is the point which I am your family says that. So ये पर्टिकुलर चीज हमने किया है क्या? और these two assets. So going back to my journey, so I started my journey when I was just 18. So it was not a family business. It was, I mean, so we are typical middle class South Indian family, and so someone came into my house, not someone, a family friend came to our house, and he wanted to give an agency. As हमारे सबसे हुआ है, कोई ना कोई पहचान वाले आए, भैया agency ले लो, ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा, and they were very genuine people. He came down to my to house and किसी को एक को agency ले लेते हैं. The reason was my dad was very influential and he has done a lot in social service. But being a typical, being a very good straightforward person, typical bolna is not the right word, he refused. But then I said, no, I want to do something on my own. I want to be independent. मुझे काम नहीं करना है. So I took up the agency. I went to my development officer's office one day, Mr. A. Kazi, who is also a good family now. And we started off the journey in insurance. So first interview हुआ, 11 रुपया भरा agency का, and the business started. Having done that, I was in college at that time, and I also started doing a part-time with a friend of mine on buying and selling stocks. So that was the second part that I started off, and that started off the journey into this business for long. So ये journey जो है, it has given me a lot of good friends in our fraternity, clients who are no more my clients but well-wishers, and above all a sense of great satisfaction. So we today handle around 750 families. Very few are in Bombay, most are out of the city and out of the country. So एक बात बहुत, I'm sorry I'm switching between the screens, so you might be finding me on and off, so just bear with me. So one thing I learned in this, when I seriously thought, okay, this is the career that I have to be in. English Hindi mix chalega na sir?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay, fine. So so when I started this, so 90 when the insurance sector opened up, I said this is the business that we have to be in, because globally insurance is a very big business. In our country it is very small. Even now it is very small. The penetration level is hardly anything. Be it insurance or be it even any financial products, we have got very low penetration. So taking that into consideration, I said I need to be full-time in this business. तब तक के लिए तो कॉलेज फीस के लिए और पॉकेट मनी के लिए खर्चे के लिए द मनी यूज्ड टू कम, इट वाज प्रीटी गुड फॉर अस. Eventually I said, I went to my development officer Kazi Sahab and I said मुझे ट्रेनिंग चाहिए. And the first training that I went in 91 was at IFSCERT. I don't know, many of us I think are pretty old in the business, so they would be definitely knowing about IFSCERT. So my first training I went was in IFSCERT. That time we heard this gentleman called Apparao Machiraju. So he had just come from US and he was a wonderful trainer, and he used to train in IFSCERT. So I enrolled myself, and it was a 1-week training, and it was wonderful. It gave insights and thought process into all your the process of insurance, why insurance, how insurance has to be given to advice to client or sold to client, and things like that. So there I met. I was very happy and shocked and happy to meet a good development officer who had got his whole team and for the training. So then subsequently his team were the top producers in the country, and they're still one of the top producers, many of them. So this team was led by the late Satish Manjure. It is today common now to see a development officer or SBA team go to organize a training for the field staff and field force. But उस जमाने में डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर ट्रेनिंग लेके करते हुए बहुत रेयरली हमने कभी सुना था. So subsequently there are a lot of SBAs and development officers now. So what is the best part of the whole thing? The best part of the whole thing is that कि जब एक बार I'll explain, I will narrate an incident that happened. So one day I'd gone to the branch of Satish, and I wanted some service request there. They had this Satyanarayan Puja, and we all know in our branches, all those who are from LIC in this forum, Satyanarayan Puja means half day office closed. So normally it's on a Saturday, and then the office doesn't by and large work that day. Full-fledged. So in that situation, I had gone. I was looking around. I said, "Oh, festivities hai. Chalo, I'll come on Monday." He saw me and he called up. He says, "Kya ho gaya, Ravi?" I said, "I just wanted this." He says, "Okay, 2 minutes ruk jao." He went in 5 minutes, got the thing done, and he gave me the papers back. That is service. So what we do is we find excuses not to work. But there was this gentleman who actually taught whatever be the situation, if there's a work that needs to happen, the work can happen. It's up to us and the will that we need to do to ensure that the work happens. This was a big takeaway from me that I learned from Satish, and lots more, many with other people also. So Alika and Liafi, these are the two organizations which I was attached to way ahead in my career. These two organizations gave me a lot of insights into the other side of the advisors' issues. I don't want to name those issues, but we have had a lot of things that have come into fore thought process. So this organization has been a backbone of the advisor community or the agent community. Today we call ourselves advisors because it has become a fad, but we are by and large agents. How it has helped us? It has helped us groom at every stage, at every walk of life. How it has helped me? It has helped me in knowing a lot of things which I would not have otherwise understood if I was a general agent without any just walking on the street with a bag on. So that's one particular thing that this particular organization has given. It has given me wonderful friends. It has given me friends, power, excellence, and they are just who's who of the industries where the people who are running these two organizations. So what does this tell you? This tells you that having being with an organization and associating with such kind of organizations helps you to build up your network, build up your knowledge, meet a lot of people, and stay ahead of the curve. What is important is you need to stay ahead of the curve. What do we mean by staying ahead of the curve? Means आज हमको पता है कि हम सब वेट करते हैं कि LIC का पॉलिसी बंद होगा तो माल बेचना है. माल इज नॉट द राइट वर्ड, बट प्रोडक्ट बेचना है. तो लास्ट डे में सब दौड़ते हैं, दौड़ करके. बट अगर इफ यू आर इन ट्यून विद द हैपनिंग्स इन द मार्केट, कि लोगों को क्या चाहिए और हमारे पास क्या प्रोडक्ट्स है जो हम बेच सकते हैं, अगर वो करेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली लोग आपके क्लाइंट के पास दूसरे लोग जाने के पहले आप ऑलरेडी वो प्रोडक्ट्स एडवाइस करके दे चुके, क्लोज कर दिए होंगे. So then आपके दृष्टि में, आपका क्लाइंट को आपका दृष्टि में, like you would be a blue-eyed boy of your client. कि if somebody approaches with this particular product, the client would say कि okay, the client would say that कि this is a wonderful advisor that I've got. इसने तो हमको ऑलरेडी ये सब चीज दे चुका है जो आप आज ला के दे रहे हैं, तो हमें आपसे नई बिजनेस करना है. This is one major plus point that happens when you are associated with institutions which are of learning. So this is one big thing that is there. The next thing that I learned was from LIRT, Life Insurance Roundtable. Life Insurance Roundtable was the first step towards my MDRT. The league was different then, and the quality of meetings were par excellent. I had the opportunity to meet performers from the industry and also the manufacturer. This basically becomes a goal. So this gold standard of the insurance industry, I tell you, it's a mecca. It's a mecca and storehouse of all what you call that, all your objection handling in the world. एक हमने को समझना है, इंश्योरेंस इज अ यूनिवर्सल लैंग्वेज. It is not about USA, India, China, America. I mean, US is part of it, Russia or Iran. I've had friends, I still have friends from across the globe, thanks to my attending the meetings regularly over the past 10 to 12 years. So what one thing you learn from all these people is, उनका language, उनका जो इंश्योरेंस जो सब्जेक्ट है वो कॉमन है. क्लाइंट्स का ऑब्जेक्शन है वो भी कॉमन है. प्रोडक्ट्स डिफरेंट होता है, बस इसमें और कोई दो राय नहीं है. और आपको उनका भाषा नहीं समझ में आए, if you don't even understand the language. I have a lot of, I met one or two Chinese friends who would not speak English, but when we sit and talk, they have this what we call that language converter on their app, and we exchange notes. So the basic principle what I'm trying to tell you is, when you start moving up the ladder, you will start meeting different kinds of people in the system. And you meet different people in the system, you will learn something different. So how does this help you to grow? For example, I'll give this example. When हम लोग 2008, 2005, 6, 7, हाँ 2008 में यूलिप्स बहुत जोर से बिकता था इंडिया में. एंड LIC के पास प्रोडक्ट्स भी थे 2-4, बट प्राइवेट इंश्योरेंस काफी यूलिप्स बेचते थे, जिसमें बहुत सारे जन हम लोगों का बिजनेस चला गया था. तो we were also at loss as to be क्या करना है. So I met this gentleman called Mehdi Fakhrizadeh. I don't know आप लोग में से how many of you all have heard of him. But Mehdi Fakhrizadeh he's unfortunately expired 2 years back at 95 or 96. So he was one of the top advisors for MetLife Insurance USA. So I sat with him, and LIRT meeting, he had come to Trivandrum, Cochin. And I said, Mehdi ji, I want to speak to you. He says, the session is going on, you're missing the session. I said, no, I want to talk to you. So I sat with him, I said, see, you all have gone through this phase of the ULIPs, and unka udhar variable insurance hota tha, what we call it, the ULIPs. So I told him, sir, mujhe ek problem hai, we are missing on business. We are missing on huge business because we are not selling ULIPs, because we feel that the product is not sold right. We don't say we are a product is wrong, because we have no one to comment on the products that have been manufactured. So I said, I'm missing on business, so should I get into this? So unka ek hi line tha, he says, son, if you sell this product, you will be happy for 5 years. But the next 20 years, you will be hounded with calls. But if you don't sell this for the next 5 years, next 20 years, you will sleep in peace. So I'll repeat again. कि कहते हैं कि if you are not selling this particular product for the first 5 years, you will be unhappy for that 5 years. लेकिन अगला 20 साल तुम आराम से सोओगे. और अगर तुमने ये 5 साल में जोर से बेच दिया है बिना समझ के, अगला 20 साल तुम नहीं सो पाओगे. So what is the underlying thing is that the product may be good or bad, we don't know, but it may not be suiting to all the customers as it was being sold left, right, center. So that was a big takeaway. I got the message, I never sold a julep at that particular period of time. And we are very happy today. So we have, so we can be wrong in many a times. I'm not saying them perfect sacrosanct, but whatever we learn at that point of time, you put it in practice, your work is done. Today, you know, you have your books where it is pretty clean. There's no stress. Any client can call anytime and you have the answer for that. So this is what MDRT teaches. I would suggest that everybody should qualify for MDRT and register for MDRT. Why? Is they have a website. I'm not, so they have a website, mdrt.org. वहाँ पर उनके पास library है. उस library में 1927 से तो नहीं है, but at least 40 साल का, 40 years का main platforms and their focus session का speakers का recordings available है. अगर आपका objection कुछ problem है, and if you typed on what is the objection, you will find an answer to that. You will find at least 5 to 10 speakers giving you their what solutions for those objections. So objection handling, for cold calling, client interaction. So lots of things are there on the website, and you can dig them and take them out. So that's something that I do it pretty regularly, and that's where I've been fortunate and happy to be associated with this organization. So by being in with the organizations, what I've learned is, as I said, not only I've got many good friends. I've had the privilege to meet the best of the advisors in the country and also abroad. This helps you to grow. So that's what I always tell. Look around and see your friends, and then you will grow automatically. So what we did, we kept on changing. As the time demanded, we kept on changing. So change is constant. जैसे लोग कहते हैं कि अगर आप बदलाव नहीं करोगे तो आप वहीं पे रह जाओगे, क्योंकि समय किसी के लिए नहीं रुकता है. ये सब हमने बहुत सालों से सुन के आ रहे हैं. तो वो लेकिन एकदम अगर लागू नहीं करेंगे तो it will not be so it will not help us out. So we need to ensure that we keep on changing. What we have done, so we have actually moved completely from into a financial planning bracket, where we do a lot of fact finding. We do a lot of fact finding with the client, and based on the fact finding is what we advise the client what he or she needs to do. Today, irrespective of where the client is in India or abroad, we are able to service them very efficiently and effectively. So technology, as Jagdish ji was saying, we are all old people, and we need to get some hands-on on the technology. So I'll tell you one thing, sir. If we don't listen to the technology, we will be obsolete. And yes, it is. It may not be everybody's cup of tea to understand technology, but it is not difficult. It is as simple as it can be. So the children in the house can help us out, putting up meetings, putting up Zoom calls, putting up Skype calls. Just call up to your child or whoso is in the family, and he or she will set up the meeting. We just have to talk. Like Prahlad sets up the meeting, we only have to talk. So he'll keep fighting between the network and non-network. So my humble, suggestion is that please imbibe technology. Last 2 years have been a great, learning years, apart from the unfortunate pandemic. But those who could not change with time, like आप LIC देख लीजिए ना, all the LIC is our mother organization, but all these years they had this concept of e-proposal form 20 years back. Unfortunately, they couldn't roll it out. So I was also a part of the team where we had help them construct that e-proposal form. But that e-proposal form never saw the light of the day. Today, in pandemic, because businesses are not happening, the private players are taking their pound of flesh, you are getting this Ananda. This Ananda should have been 20 years back. If it had been 20 years back, we would have been 10 times more than what we all would have been there today. So I'm not saying that it is, what I'm trying to tell you is that if we don't change with time, we become obsolete. There are competitors waiting on the streets to just grab at whatever that is available to them. So that's one thing pretty important, and that's what helped us. Now this is the age of regulation. This is the age of regulation, microscopic scrutiny of your advice, multiple players, and platforms to compete. So when I'm saying this, let me tell you one thing is that I'm sharing all these things which is there in my heart. I am no trainer, I am no जादू का छड़ी किया अभी ये लो और जाके तुम 5 MDRT हो जाएगा. I am not getting into those kind of stuff. उसके लिए बहुत जन है market में who will give you this ज्ञान of how to do that. I'm just sharing you what I have done, what is done good for me, and since it's done, when it's done good for me means my clients are happy, that's why it's good for me. If the clients are not happy, it does not make any, so whatever I do or not, it does not make any sense. So when I'm talking about the 5 things that are there is that regulation, microscopic scrutiny of your advice, multiple players, and platform and platforms. So today, as we said, हम लोग कहते हैं IRDA है. तो आज तो what I have to speak, I have to be very careful as to what I speak, because Prahlad has put it on record. He's putting on YouTube, so I have to say the right things. Otherwise, you have got regulator looking at you like anything. आप एक ऐसा बात किया kind of. So you have to be careful as to what you speak to your client. You have to be careful as to what are you writing to your clients. You have to ensure that कितना भी आपको गुस्सा आएगा, you are not going to cross the Lakshman Rekha when you are transacting or doing anything, because you don't know whether your client is recording you or somebody else is recording what you're speaking, and how good or bad it can be used against you. So you have to be very careful about that particular front. So that's one thing that I tell that you need to be careful. That's where the regulators come in, and the regulators are there bought in not because they are bad people, they are very good people. Their whole purpose in this whole process is to ensure that you are, the customer's interest is taken care of than anything else, and the products are bought in line with the markets. That's one thing done. Your microscopic scrutiny of your advice, again, आपने एक प्रोडक्ट दे दिया, इतने बार आते हैं कि आपका प्रोडक्ट जाता है, सामने से 5 जन और अपना प्रोडक्ट्स बेचते हैं. Different companies come with different products. So microscopic scrutiny happens. You need to know your products very well. If you know your products very well, you don't need to worry about anything. So every product has got the strength. Every product has got the weakness. You need to identify what are your strengths of your product. You need to understand the strengths of other products and also the weaknesses of both products. Use them diligently to your advantage. Let's be honest, if the product which the competitor is selling is good, be candid enough and tell him कि सर ये बहुत अच्छा है, no doubt about it, लेकिन ये भी आप देख सकते हैं, इसमें भी बहुत कुछ अच्छा हुआ. तो दोनों, you can today it's a matter of, I think most of the advisors have multiple agencies and all things like that. So you can always give a choice to the customer. So multiple players and multiple platform. अभी ये बहुत बड़ा दिक्कत हुआ है. पहला तो सिर्फ क्या होता था कि there used to be one agent from LIC, one agent from other companies, or vice versa thing. So we used to compete within ourselves. अब तो क्या हुआ, multiple players आ गए. अब आप गया आपका advisor, उसके बाद आ गया broker, उसके बाद आ गया aggregator, उसके बाद आ गया direct company business. Okay, so what are you doing? You are competing with 1+3 more. So आप 4 जन के साथ आप अपना क्या कहते हैं कि you are pitching yourself against 4 people. So most of us क्या कहते हैं, अरे यार अभी तो वो डायरेक्ट चला गया, बहुत अच्छा, ठीक है, तो वो आपका क्लाइंट ही नहीं था. इस दुनिया में जैसा कि हमारा क्या कहते हैं, सब पॉलिटिशियंस कहते हैं, देश में 130 करोड़ लोग हैं. 130 कोटी मीन्स बहुत हो गया. तो हम लोग क्या कहते हैं कि अगर एक चला गया तो दूसरा देख लो, जो आपका एडवाइस को समझ सकता है, जो आपका सर्विस स्टैंडर्ड समझ सकता है और आपका पर्सनल टच को समझता है. देयर आर ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ क्लाइंट्स फॉर ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल. सो अगर जब भी आपको ये 3 चीज आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग करेंगे तो आपको कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म, कोई भी कॉम्पिटिटर, कोई भी एग्रीगेटर आपका बिजनेस नहीं चलेगा. और जो आपका बिजनेस गया है वो आपका नहीं था. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. So that's why we are very clear about this particular thing. And आजकल तो platforms भी शुरू हो गए हैं. So there are 2-3 things that you can do. Sometimes what some of the advisors do, agents do, is that they tie up with the platforms. कि platform के साथ tie up हो जाते हैं and they start doing. So they have got a basket of products to advise to the client, which is also not bad. So there are brokers who are there. They have a basket of products, and if you find that you need to do this with your for the benefit of your clients, you should do that. इसमें कोई सही है, कोई गलत कुछ नहीं है. बेसिक हम जो काम कर रहे हैं इज फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ द क्लाइंट्स. सो दैट्स वन पर्टिकुलर थॉट प्रोसेस रखे वो चलेंगे तो लाइफ बिकम्स वेरी सिंपल. नाउ इन स्पाइट ऑफ ऑल दिस यू कैन परफॉर्म वेल. हाउ? सो ये जो शेयर कर रहा हूँ कि ये तो हमेशा लोग कहते हैं कि यू वुड हैव हर्ड दिस. द की टेकअवे इज स्टे फोकस्ड ऑन योर गोल्स, वर्क ऑन योर स्ट्रेंथ्स, not on others weakness. So आप अगर आपका स्ट्रेंथ में काम करेंगे तो आपको कोई टेंशन नहीं है. हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, देखो वो ऐसा किया है, वो प्रोडक्ट में ये कमी है, what you call it, this product is just not so good, वो कंपनी बेकार है. तो ये सब में हम लोग टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं, अपना भी टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं, क्लाइंट्स का भी टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं. ये ना करते हुए हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स में क्या what is the strength that we have got, our company has got and our products has got. तो उसमें काम करेंगे तो अपना टाइम वेस्ट होगा क्योंकि हमारे पास ओनली इतना ही टाइम है. पैंडेमिक ने ये बताया कि भाई आपके पास ज्यादा टाइम नहीं है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल एक अच्छा फर्स्ट एक MDRT मीटिंग, LRT मीटिंग जब पहली बार गया था, सो आई मेट छगन भाई गड़िया. छगन भाई गड़िया इज वन ऑफ द टॉप मोस्ट इंश्योरेंस एडवाइजर्स ऑफ हिज टाइम एंड हिज सन इज आल्सो डूइंग वेरी वेल. राजकोट के हैं. तो हम हमारे रूम पार्टनर थे, वी वर मीटिंग टुगेदर एंड तो एक मॉक सेशन कर रहे थे कि बोले एक जन को बुलाया इसको समझाओ इंश्योरेंस बेचना है तो तुम कैसा इंश्योरेंस बेचोगे. सो ही सपोज टू बी अ गुजराती ट्रेडर हु डज नॉट अंडरस्टैंड इंश्योरेंस. सो आई ट्राइड ऑल आवर लॉजिकल स्टफ, नहीं समझ में आया उनको. मैं बोला सर आप BC समझते हैं क्या? आई मीन आई होप आई एम क्लियर इन दिस व्हाट आई एम स्पीकिंग. BC इज बेसिकली द बिजनेसमैन पुट इन मनी टुगेदर, इट्स लाइक अ चिट फंड. तो इसे आप BC समझता है. BC में क्या होता है, 10 जन जो 10,000, 5,000, 1 लाख जिसका जितना BC चलाने का हैसियत है वो उस अमाउंट 10 जन डालते हैं. अगर 10,000 डालते हैं तो 10 लाख रुपया हो जाता है. कोई एक जन बोली लेते हैं तो उसके पास पैसा चला जाता है. तो मेरा कहना था बीमा भी एक BC है, तो जहां सब प्रीमियम भरते हैं लेकिन बोली ऊपर वाला लगाता है. तो वो बोली कभी लगता है किसको पता नहीं है. तो ये कंसेप्ट होता है कि जब किसी को सिंपल लैंग्वेज में समझाना होता है तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट व्हाट यू कॉल इट आइडियाज दैट यू कैन यूज इट. कि BC का आइडिया से सिवा और कोई अच्छा आइडिया हो ही नहीं सकता. इज व्हाट आई फील. आई हैव डन इट मेनी अ टाइम, पीपल हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट वेरी वेल. सो कमिंग बैक टू दिस थिंग इज स्टॉप क्रिटिसाइजिंग योर प्रोडक्ट्स. नाउ लोग कहते हैं कि ये प्रोडक्ट, अगेन आई विल कम बैक टू द प्रोडक्ट्स. मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ कि लोग कहते हैं कि ये प्रोडक्ट अच्छा नहीं है, वो प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है. लेकिन एक बात जानना है कि प्रोडक्ट डिजाइनिंग करने वाला वो अपना बुद्धि वाला रहता है. He is a qualified actuarial, and when you design a product, there are a lot of factors that has been constructed in factors taken into consideration while doing your building up this product. उसमें mortality rate लेते हैं, viability होता है, economics होता है, बहुत चीज होता है. होने के बाद एक particular product design होता है. Now हमें वो प्रोडक्ट क्रिटिसाइज करने के बजाय लेट अस फाइंड आउट कि which particular customer is this product suitable to. Once we decide this particular product is suitable to a particular customer, you go and approach the customer with that product, with that particular thought process. We judge, prejudge और बंद होने के पहले जाके से वही माल बेचते हैं, जो नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर उसको समझ लेंगे, सेगमेंट समझ लेंगे, कौन सा टारगेट मार्केट के लिए बना हुआ है, वो टारगेट मार्केट अप्रोच कर लीजिए, योर वर्क इज डन. लाइक चिल्ड्रंस वाले जो फंड्स हैं या फिर आई थिंक उमंग इज आल्सो देयर. सो सम ऑफ दोस एन्युटी प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आर देयर, यूज देम डिलीजेंटली, गिव टू द क्लाइंट। और एक बात याद रखना, हम हमारे सोच में जाके बेचते हैं, ये सबसे गलत काम करते हैं। हमें लगता है कि ये क्लाइंट को इतना ही देना है, आप डिसाइड करते हैं। आप डिसाइड नहीं करेंगे, ये बात क्लाइंट डिसाइड करेगा कि उसको कितना लेना है। तो एक बार वो तय हो गया, लाइफ सिंपल होता है फॉर मार्केटिंग नॉर्मली। ये मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से कह रहा हूँ, हम तो किसी को, तो मैं एग्जांपल बताता हूँ कि जब कोल्ड कॉलिंग मेरा वाज माय फेवरेट, मैंने मेरा बेस क्लाइंटाइल कोल्ड कॉलिंग में बिल्ड किया हूँ। मेरे दोस्त लोग मेरे साथ चलते नहीं थे, जब हम लोग कॉलेज से निकलते या मेरे बचपन के दोस्त साथ में नहीं चलते थे, बोले किसके भी खड़ा हो जाता और इंश्योरेंस बेचता है। सो एक बार मैं अपने ऑफिसर के साथ वी हैव गॉन टू केले वाले का बकार कुरला में, तो वो खटिया के बाहर डाल के वो केला बेच रहा था। मैं बोला चलो इसका भाई इसको मिल लेते हैं। तो हमने कहा कि एंड ये मैं अराउंड 25 ईयर्स के पहले बात कर रहा हूँ। हमने समझाया उनको बीमा, तो वो भाई साहब बोले ठीक है। बोले कितने का लेना है? हमने बोला 1 लाख का लेना है। बोला ठीक है फाइन। तो फॉर्म निकाले तो अंदर से जाके बोरी में 1 लाख लेके आया उसने। तो हमको सिर्फ चाहिए था 6,000 रुपया। सो अभी सोच कितना डिफरेंस हो गया उसमें कि वो 1 लाख देने को तैयार है, हम 5,000 सोच के गए, हम सम एश्योर्ड सोच के गए, वो प्रीमियम का सोच रहा था। तो ये हमारा सोच बदलने का बहुत जरूरी है। हम अगर सोच तब तक नहीं बदलेंगे तो सोच बदलो देश बदलेगा, वो हमारा भाई साहब का नारा है, तो वो एकदम सही है। सोच नहीं बदलेंगे तो हम नहीं बदलेंगे। सो दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच आई मीन एज आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू, मेरा आइडियाज आ रहे हैं, आई एम शेयरिंग इट विद यू। सो दूसरी एक बात है कि ना, कोटा बिजनेस नहीं करना प्लीज, कि मेरा 12 लाइफ होगा या मैं इतना ही करूंगा, वो काम नहीं करना। और कभी भी फॉर व्हाटएवर रीजंस प्लीज डोंट आस्क एंड बेग योर क्लाइंट्स। तो हमारे यहाँ भी काफी सीनियर्स है जो मुझे दिख रहा है जिसमें, तो वो सब जानते हैं, बट स्टिल आई थिंक आई जस्ट वांट टू शेयर व्हाट आई वुड लव टू शेयर कि क्लाइंट्स के पास जाके गिड़गिड़ा के बिजनेस नहीं मांगना, इट इज नॉट राइट। फिर वो आपको जो टाइप ऑफ बिजनेस चाहिए वो नहीं मिलेगा, जो क्वालिटी ऑफ बिजनेस चाहिए वो नहीं मिलेगा आपको। वो बोलेंगे हमारे पास बहुत सारे सर्विसिंग के पॉलिसीज आते हैं, आप लोगों के पास भी बहुत सारे पॉलिसी सर्विसिंग ऑर्फन पॉलिसीज आते हैं। ये ऑर्फन पॉलिसीज क्यों आते हैं? ये ऑर्फन पॉलिसीज इसलिए आते हैं कि कोटा एजेंट्स अपना नंबर्स करके चले जाते हैं, उसके बाद उसका जो लॉ क्या कहते हैं, द बैगेज दैट कम्स टू अस, एंड सो इट इज नॉट, एंड इट इज ओनली आई कॉल इट द मंकी ऑन द बैक। मतलब आप जहां एक पॉलिसी सर्विस करने जाएंगे, आप 10 पॉलिसी सर्विस कर रहे हैं, 1:10 का रेशियो में आता है। आप उसका रिटायर एंड एंजॉय का पूरा पर्ची लेके बैठा रहते हैं, जब आपका सिर्फ एक पॉलिसी हुआ है। सो द होल पॉइंट इज दैट प्लीज डोंट आस्क फॉर, डोंट रिक्वेस्ट क्लाइंट्स कि मुझे सो हमें बहुत सारे क्लाइंट्स के फोन आते हैं कि किसी ने फोन किया, उसको कोई तो ट्रिप जाने का है तो उसको पॉलिसी चाहिए। आई मीन वेदर पॉलिसी जेन्युइनली देना है नहीं देना है, हमको कोई तो भी, आई हैव टू क्वालिफाई फॉर कंपटीशन, तो हमें पॉलिसी चाहिए। सो ये सब चीज नहीं न करते हुए रेगुलरली, वो जैसा कि सचिन तेंदुलकर है, सचिन तेंदुलकर रेगुलर बैट करता है तो उसको टेस्ट मैच में पैसा मिलता है, टेस्ट मैच में स्कोर मिलता है, सॉरी। एंड आपका यहाँ पर जो वनडे वाला है, T20 T11 वाला है, वो आता है अगला सेशन में, वो आपको नहीं मिलता, फिर नया कोई चेहरा आता है। सो ये हम लोग का जो कोटा एजेंट लोग है, T11 वाले हैं, T20 मैच वाले, सॉरी मैं क्रिकेट में थोड़ा बैड हूँ। एंड जो हमारा सब स्टालवर्ट एजेंट्स हैं, वो हमारा सचिन तेंदुलकर से, वो अपने आराम से करते हैं। सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस दैट वन नीड्स टू बी इन। एंड और एक अगर आप लोगों को किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो हैंड रेज कर दीजिएगा, या प्रहलाद लास्ट में करते हैं, व्हाटएवर इज कंफर्टेबल।
लास्ट में करते हैं सर।
ठीक है। सो और एक चीज, और एक ये है कि आपका सर्कल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। कि मेरा जो कहना है कि दोस्त का 2-3 सर्कल होते हैं। एक होता है आपका चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड जो एकदम क्लोज है और जो आपका सब कुछ जानता है, प्लस माइनस, आई मीन ऑलमोस्ट साथ में ग्रो है। दूसरा आपका कॉलेज सर्कल आता है, तीसरा आपका प्रोफेशनल सर्कल आता है। पहला 2 सर्कल में सब कुछ चलता है, तो उसमें कोई उसमें अच्छा बुरा दोस्त नहीं, कोई अच्छा किया है लाइफ में, कोई बुरा किया होगा, कोई आई मीन सबका अपना अपना लेवल ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड्स अलग होता है, उनको अपना अपना कर्म के हिसाब से। लेकिन जो अपना प्रोफेशनल सर्कल है उसका चॉइस आपके ऊपर है। आपको किस तरह का प्रोफेशनल सर्कल ऑफ फ्रेंड्स चूज करना है। आपको परपेचुअली रोने वाले के साथ घूमना है तो आप भी रोते रहेंगे, आपको परपेचुअली हंसने वाले के साथ घूमना है तो आप हंसते रहेंगे। सो आपका चॉइस है कि आपको क्या करना है। सो हमेशा एक प्रोफेशनल सर्कल में आप अगर गए, कोई भी स्टडी सर्कल हो या व्हाटएवर सर्कल, अगर आपको लगता है कि ये सर्कल आपका टाइम वेस्टर है तो उस सर्कल से मूव होना बहुत जरूरी है। अगर आप उसी सर्कल के अंदर रोज जाते जाएंगे तो 20 साल निकल जाएगा, आप उसी सर्कल के अंदर बैठे रहेंगे, रोज चाय पियेंगे, उनके साथ में नाश्ता करेंगे, वड़ा पाव खाएंगे, लेकिन आपका प्रगति जीरो। लेकिन अगर आप सर्कल मूव करके नेक्स्ट सर्कल में जाएंगे जहां प्रोड्यूसर्स है, प्रोफेशनल्स है, भले आप वो लेवल पे नहीं आएंगे लेकिन ऑटोमेटिकली आप वो नेक्स्ट लेवल पे चले जाएंगे। अगर वो वाला सर्कल या वो वाला रूम फुल हो गया है तो उसका मतलब है, या सोच फुल हो गया तो उसका मतलब है आपको उसका अगला सर्कल पे जाना है। इस दुनिया में और इस प्रोफेशन में इतने सारे कमरे हैं, आप चूज कर सकते हैं आपको कहां बैठना है, और जो कमरे में आप बैठेंगे आपको उस तरह के क्लाइंट्स आएंगे। आपको ये बात एकदम क्लियर करके सोचना होगा। दूसरी बात है इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन योरसेल्फ। हम लोग कितने जन अपने आप पे इन्वेस्ट करते हैं? बहुत कम जन इन्वेस्ट करते हैं अपने आप पे। व्हेन वी से अपने आप पे इन्वेस्टमेंट इज बेसिक से चालू होता है कि अपनी क्लोथिंग से, अपना क्लोथिंग, फुटवेयर, बैग, ये 3 चीज मायने रखते हैं, और आपका पेन जो आप यूज करते हैं, ये 3-4 चीज बहुत मायने रखते हैं। ऐसा नहीं कह रहे हैं कि आपको अरमानी सूट पहनना है या आपको क्या कहते हैं वो क्लार्क का शूज पहनना है, वो नहीं कह रहा हूं। मैं कह रहा हूं कि नीट, क्लीन, प्रेजेंटेबल होना चाहिए। जैसे आप एक आदमी को देखते हैं, या तो आप उसको हड़काते हैं या तो आप उससे बहुत प्यार से बात करते हैं। तो यही हमारा क्लाइंट का फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन होता है। जब आप क्लाइंट को पहली बार मिलने को जाते हैं, हमारा इंप्रेशन बहुत जरूरी है। आप अगर कैजुअल्स में भी जाते हैं तो आपका कैजुअल्स शुड आल्सो बी ऑफ अ गुड क्वालिटी कैजुअल्स, और क्लाइंट्स को इन्फॉर्म करना चाहिए कि मैं कैजुअल्स में आ रहा हूं, कि मैं आ सकता हूं क्या। दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द स्मॉल थिंग्स। एक छोटे चीज मायने रखते हैं, बाकी कोई नहीं है। प्रोडक्ट कुछ मायने नहीं रखते। स्मॉल थिंग्स मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस टू यू, एंड दिस इज व्हाट हैज हेल्प्ड मी over the period of time to grow. So family is very important. Family, so MDRT कहता है family first. It always tells you कि family first. बाकी सब secondary आता है। अगर आपका family and life is good, your business moves up. That's very important. अगर आप business बहुत अच्छा करने के बाद family life is not good, कोई फायदा नहीं, it goes for a toss completely. बाकी whatever happens by what you call it karma or something, that's different, but जान के हमको what you call it, we don't need to mess around with our families because business के हिसाब से. But yes, both have to go in sync and we have to give enough time to each other. अभी lockdown में तो I think family has superseded everybody including business. So find solutions for your client's problem and not solutions to your goal. As I said, find solutions to your client's problem and not to your goal. Our goal is very important, but our goal will happen only and only if the client's goals get met. तो इसमें ऐसा है, सिर्फ मैं पैसा बनूंगा तो मैं थोड़ा दिन पैसा बनाऊंगा, मेरे क्लाइंट्स पैसा बनाएंगे तो मैं भी काफी टाइम तक पैसा बनाऊंगा। ये बेसिक मंत्र अगर हम दिमाग में रख के चलेंगे तो इसके अलावा अपने को कोई कुछ करना नहीं है। So ये कहते हुए I would just I would go on to my PowerPoint presentation. But if there's any questions anybody has, so you can just ask and then we can move on.
So participants are requested to ask a question, and while asking question they can unmute themselves and on the video camera and then ask the question, or put your question in a chat box so that Deepak Kumar Mane will read it and he will ask to the speaker. Thank you very much.
Please ask the questions, participants.
हाँ, कैलका से माइक अनम्यूट करके, कैसा तबीयत पानी ठीक ठाक है?
मैं अभी ऑन किया। आई वांट टू
हाँ
आस्क
हाँ हाँ, कैसा है तबीयत? ठीक है?
उसका चल रहा है। हम लोग हमेशा खाली एमडीआरटी में मिलते हैं, इंडिया में
हाँ
नहीं
हाँ।
मिलते हैं। So I wanted you to throw light on this virtual meet which we are going to attend after 2 days.
Okay.
So about that, because I have already registered for that,
Okay.
but this second time, but a little throw light on that. How it will go ahead.
So I think they will send you a link, and based on the link, you have to click on the link with your membership ID, and you will be into the meeting.
Okay. This all is fine.
All is well. All is well. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, yeah, thanks. So, was the session good or boring? Honest opinion.
The session was from bottom of heart, so definitely it was heart touching. It is the messages are coming that it was a good, superb, and all these things. So I think now there is no questions. The things are so much so clear in the participants' mind that they don't have any question now. So you can go for your presentation,
Okay.
Ravi Kumar.
Haji. Yeah. 1 second. So okay. So just to give a little background on this, what we do in our office, and how do we go about the financial planning process. So first thing, when we connect with a client, we so उस ज़माने में, एक ज़माने में, I don't know how many of us we still use the data sheet. या वही पुराना data sheet है, date name, father's name, mother's name, and all those kind of stuff. So you use the data sheet to get the data, and based on the data, we used to make the plan and give it to them. Now so we have, as we said, advantage of meeting, going for the meets, and understanding people from different walks of life. We have to refine and come to what the current generation or the current market requires, and that basically is a planning process. So what we have done is we send a PowerPoint presentation along with our planning to our customers. I'm just sharing you this PowerPoint. I hope it will be useful to you. I'll walk you through. There are around, I think there are around 27 slides, but I will walk you through many of them. Just a minute. I'll just share it with you. Yeah. So you all can see this slide.
Yes,
Hello.
it
Yes,
is
sir.
regarding the financial planning.
Yes.
That's right. Yeah. So the financial planning. See, what happens is, as you can see, पूरा नॉइज है इसके अंदर. अगर आपने देखा इसके अंदर क्या है, आप बजट बताओ, इनकम कितना है, टैक्स करना है, मैनेजमेंट करना है, बिजनेस इंश्योरेंस है क्या, रिटायरमेंट एनालाइज किया है क्या, स्पेंडिंग कितना है, एस्टेट है क्या, डेट है क्या. So ये सब चीज नॉइज है. This is complete noise which there is the noise in the market, and this noise we also create, the clients also create. Now out of this noise, how do we try to remove the, like वो कैसा कहते हैं, छाप निकालते हैं, like वो what do you call it, वो राइस या गेहूं से वो उसको क्या हस्क निकालते हैं ना, वैसा हमें इसको निकालना होगा. Now what is the basic thing is, what is financial well-being? Is that state in your personal finance which provides you with security, direction, confidence to achieve your financial milestone. So जब प्रोडक्ट्स देने को जाते हैं तो हम कहते हैं कि नहीं सर देखो, आपको बच्चे का शादी होगा, या आपका रिटायरमेंट के लिए पॉलिसी लीजिए, या तो ये आपको एन्युटी देगा. So these are all, so when the financial well-being, so जब अपना personal finance is kind of secure and with a direction, तो milestone अच्छी हो जाती है. Now, these are the basic 6 steps of financial planning process. You all can read this. So one is define relationships and goal, gather information, analyze and evaluate, develop a plan, implement a plan, monitor and review. So when you go to meet a client, So these are the things that you need to do. It may be any product or not. आपका इंश्योरेंस लेंगे तो पहला आप क्लाइंट के साथ बैठेंगे, उनका गोल समझेंगे, इंफॉर्मेशन आप गैदर करेंगे, इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करेंगे, तुरंत पॉलिसी बेचने की जरूरत नहीं है. हमारे पास बहुत सारे एडवाइजर्स आते हैं, अरे हमने एक सिटिंग में जाके बेच के उसको पॉलिसी बेच के आ गया, वेरी गुड, बट लेकिन आपने उसका पूरा पोटेंशियल बेच के आए हैं क्या? नहीं, आपने सिर्फ आपका पोटेंशियल बेच के आए. सो व्हेन यू गैदर इंफॉर्मेशन, you can work on it very systematically. That's why I said gather information, analyze and evaluate. उसके बाद you develop a plan, go to the customer with a plan, tell him why you have developed it, what is the logic behind developing it, and how to implement the plan. आप implement कर लीजिए, उसके बाद monitor and review, and then you go for referral. So these are the 6 steps that we follow when we meet a client. Can I go to the next slide? Now, ये economics जिसने भी किया है उनको hierarchy of Maslow needs का आता है, तो hierarchy of financial needs है, which we have created. It is cash inflow and outflow, basic needs, risk management. This is where our thing comes in major part: emergency fund, health insurance, term insurance, personal accident cover, motor insurance, accumulation of wealth, financial freedom, and legacy. Right. So when we do basic cash flow अगर एक बार set हो गया है, then there's risk management is where we come to play. अगर these 2 things are taken into consideration, बाकी wealth अपने आप create हो जाता है. So the peace of mind helps the man grow much faster. So then we come to budgeting. Where does my paycheck go? Why is budgeting important? So this you can always speak to the client and you can take it from there. This is important, milestone. So when you do a milestone, emergency fund savings, risk management, buying a house, children education, marriage, vacation, retirement planning, and estate planning. Now tell me, of this, how many products do we have? Don't we have products to match each and every of those slides that I have shown on the milestone? I mean, you all can just raise a hand. That's what I just want to know that we are in the same page. I'll just present again. Okay, emergency fund, savings, risk management, children's education, vacation and retirement planning. So we have got for 4 of us, we have products. Emergency funds, to of course that's a risk cover. अगर आदमी गया तो पैसा उधर आ गया. Risk management में सब कुछ आ जाता है. Health आता है, life आता है. Buying a house, we tell the client को इतना पैसा जमा करो तो घर बन जाएगा. Children's marriages or children's policies that we need to sell. Retirement planning is the annuities that are there. Estate planning अभी तक इंडिया में आया था, चला गया, शायद वापस आ जाएगा. जिस दिन आएगा estate planning, you know what is estate planning? Estate planning is that in the US and some other countries, in case a person dies, अगर उनका घर पैसा जो भी है उसके ऊपर they have to pay tax to the government. It is known as inheritance tax. So we had this estate duty years back, which was withdrawn. But maybe in the future years to come, because this is one vertical where the insurance companies make lots of business on estate planning. So this, but it's up to the government to bring it or not. So, but if this comes, then you are into a major business kind of thing. So I move to the next slide. So emergency funds. These are all into the financial planning concept में आ जाती है. Medical emergency, unplanned travel, unexpected home repairs, unexpected car expenses, unexpected legal expenses, job loss, etc. and etc. Again, we come to the same risk management. Now here it is the health part aata hai. Ki can I afford to get sick? So we have the Jeevan Arogya, that our health policy. So this can be used for that. When illness strikes, income level decreases, expense level increases. If you see the graph that's put in here. And the savings gets depleted. So we must get well. But how can a sick person get well without money? Okay. Then there's personal economic crisis. So because it's easy to spend, there's little or no money left to save. If you have to get sick and couldn't go to work, how long could you live on your savings? So this is why we need to give them all the health insurance policies that's possible that we can give. And this slide has helped us many a times to get a good amount of cover. Again, so coming back to the health insurance, the product covers hospitalization. This you will know. I don't need to say this. Critical insurance cover. Again, the same part. We have our policies with critical. The cancer cover policy, hamara. That particular policy helps you to cover for cancer. And trust me, I have sold quite a cancer policies. The doctors I have asked for, they have said this particular policy is very well. It's a good policy. I have spoken to a couple of doctors and they say it covers minor and major cancer illnesses, unlike many other cancer policies. So critical illness is very important and that should be covered basically. Buying a house to लोगों का अपना काम है. The next is retirement planning. Now this is a lifeline. Roller coaster way of saving. Bond started working. So spend, save, spend. तो द यंगर एज बोलता है पहले मैं स्पेंड करूंगा फिर सेव करूंगा, लेकिन एक्चुअली सेव करना चाहिए फिर स्पेंड करना चाहिए. नाउ देयर इज ईसी जो अपना खराब ईसीजी जैसा ऊपर नीचे सेविंग करेगा, और डेथ हो गया तो तुरंत खत्म हो जाएगा. So we work for money. You have to accumulate. Once you accumulate, then you what you call it, retirement lump sum gets formed, and then money starts working for us. So when money starts working for us, how does it work? Annuities. आपका जीवन अक्षय, I don't know, Shanti अभी क्या है तो जीवन शांति. So all those kind of deferred and immediate annuity, they help you to work for your retirement planning. So why do we need to retire? What is the concept of retirement? लोगों को लगता है रिटायर हो गया तो मतलब चलो दुकान बंद. It's not that way. Today retirement children are retiring or guys are retiring at 40, 45, 50. So what happens in this particular scenario? They have already achieved the amount of money or wealth that they require to live the next 40, 50 years. This is what is retirement. So background chal raha. So retirement is defined as that stage in your life where you are working for fun. गलत किसी का बैकग्राउंड चल रहा है.
Yes, all the participants are requested to mute the video as well as audio also. There is some issues with the internet, so please mute all participants. They are requested to mute their video and mic also, both, please. Except the speaker, everybody should be mute and video should be off. Yes, Ravi Kumar, you can go ahead.
Yeah. So I'm sorry for that. So retirement is defined as that stage in your life where you are working for fun and not for your day-to-day living. So retirement planning includes identifying source of income, estimating expenses, implementing a savings program, and managing assets and risk. If you plan for your retirement early, it will not only give you an edge to build higher retirement corpus, but will also allow you to retire earlier than when you would actually want to. So that's what I was telling. कि अगर हम लोगों कहते हैं आप 55 में रिटायर हो जाओ और 58 में रिटायर हो जाओ, लेकिन आज के लाइफ आज का what do you call that, longevity is around 84, 85. So that's the minimum that you can look at anyone living today. And अगर और थोड़ा बहुत health will be taken into consideration, you'll have people living up to 90 and 100 also. And on the other hand, you have people dying at 45, 50 also. So, but then when you have built this particular corpus, which for your long term, I mean, life becomes good. Start investing early and discipline till retirement. So, हमने 5,000 रुपए का what do you call it, क्या कहते हैं कि ऐसे insurance बेचा है, and then eventually what we found out was that that money was, I mean, so when we sold, it was like 5,000 rupees policy. And then eventually we found that, oh, that has become of no use. So we need to actually keep on revisiting this policy over the period of time and selling it up. Yeah, sorry. So vacation, so consider the realities. Inflation reduces your purchasing power. It's a sustained increase in the general price level of this thing. Importance of personal financial planning. So money plays an important role in everyone's financial life as well as need money to survive and fulfill our dreams. When it comes to investment, generally our thoughts are about the investments and their expected returns. On the contrary, before investing, one should think about and define the milestone that has to be achieved at different stages of one's financial life. Personal financial planning is about defining and constructing an investment portfolio to achieve milestone, considering the income, inflation, time horizon, and the risk appetite of an individual. So this planning, insurance plays a major role in financial planning, major role. लोग उसको एकदम सिंपल में टर्म वर्सेस इक्विटी, टर्म वर्सेस म्यूचुअल फंड करते हैं, बट इट इज नॉट ऑल दैट सिंपल. एज आई मेंशन, टर्म कवर लेना जरूरी है, but endowments also help clients to achieve a particular goal, provided you have given him that kind of a product that can suit to his long-term needs. It's not that every time you're so at some point of time when the money is really required and the markets are really bad, your endowment policies stand much better than your equity market, and vice versa. So no one particular product is good. So when you do a planning, you'll have a multiple approach to your whole thing. Now this is what the investor life cycle is. 20 से 35 साल तक वो कैरियर बनाता है, पैसा बनाता है, देन शादी करता है. 35 तक, इन ऑल आइडियलिस्टिक सिचुएशन कह रहा हूँ मैं, 35 तक he has got his 1 or 2 kids. 35 to 60 तक तो उसका पूरा लाइफ गोज फॉर अ टॉस, जितने बाल बच्चे हैं सब चले जाते हैं. तो वो अपना पैसा कमाएगा, बच्चों को पढ़ाएगा, घर खरीदेगा, and with spouse, of course, both of them, I mean husband and wife together. So these days, sometimes the lady supersedes the man in terms of the income, which is also pretty good because that becomes complementary. And so 58-55 जो भी है, he decides to retire, and then capital preservation and steady income. So ये particular last phase जो है, the retirement phase, capital preservation and steady income is very required, very important. Now यहाँ पर मैं आपको एक retirement phase में मैं आपको एक actually real time story, I mean what you call that, it's not a story but real time incident that has happened that I'll tell you. So what happens is at some point of time, husband and wife are at 60 or other end of the life cycle, the last end of the life cycle, which can last up to whatever time. But they have got money. But assuming उनका जो बच्चा है, जो 35 साल वाला बच्चा जो बीच वाला फेज है, अगर लाइफ में सेटल नहीं हुआ है, he starts eating into the income of the parent. Now many a times there are situations where there is a young couple with older parents. Parents have got more money than the children. Now one fine day the child says कि पापा मुझे पैसा दो, आपको कितना चाहिए? तो पापा से अच्छा कितना पैसा चाहिए? बोला लेट्स से पापा के पास 1 करोड़ है, वो 25 लाख ले लेता है उससे. वो खर्चा हो जाता है बिजनेस में या कुछ होता है, फिर आता है, बोला पापा जी मुझे आपको कितना चाहिए ब्याह महीने का? तो पापा कहता है 25,000 चाहिए. तो पापा आप एक काम कीजिए, मुझे 50 लाख और दीजिए, मैं हर महीना आपको 25,000 दूंगा. ओके, वो चलता है 6 months 1 year तक चलेगा. सडनली वो भी पैसा वॉट एवर रीजन अगर चला गया तो 25 लाख के लिए आ जाता है. फिर से बोलता आपको तो रोज का खाना पीना चाहिए ना, वो हम कर देंगे, आपको पैसे की क्या जरूरत है? तो एंड ऑफ द डे व्हाट हैपेंस इज द पेरेंट्स इफ दे आर नॉट, अगर वही पैसा जीवन अक्षय में होता तो पैसा कोई नहीं हाथ लगाता. तो अनलेस एंटिल ओके आज के तारीख में सरेंडर वैल्यू करते हैं, बट वो तो लॉस में होता है. बट इफ यू एडवाइज योर क्लाइंट्स एट दिस पर्टिकुलर एज ग्रुप कि आपको एक्स अमाउंट ऑफ मनी गारंटीड और लॉक इन प्रोडक्ट में होना जरूरी है, ताकि आपकी सेफ्टी मतलब 60 to let's say 85 तक आपको हर महीना एक्स अमाउंट ऑफ मनी बिना किसी को पूछे आता जाएगा और कैपिटल भी सेफ है. ये करना बहुत जरूरी है. So this is one thing that we all have to do it, and it is pretty important. So this is the 3 stages in financial planning: accumulation stage, preparation, and retirement stage. I'll not go deep into this. 5 levels in the hierarchy of financial needs: income and basic needs, risk management, accumulation of wealth, financial freedom, legacy. ये legacy बहुत important है. अब जैसे कि कल ही मैंने व्हाट्सएप में एक टॉम एग्ना बल्कि इज वन ऑफ द a famous annuity what do you call it annuity product seller in the US. बहुत फेमस है. लिंक्डइन में जाएंगे तो आप मिल जाएंगे, आपको मिलेगा. तो उन्होंने छोटा स्लाइड बनाया था. उन्होंने कहा कि आप लोग में से कितने जन आपके ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर और ग्रेट ग्रेटफादर को जानते हैं. मतलब आपके आपके ग्रैंडफादर, आपके दादाजी या नाना जी, उसके ऊपर उनके पिताजी, उसके ऊपर उनके पिताजी, दोनों साइड के, माँ मम्मी के साइड के। तो वो जब क्वेश्चन जो पूछे हैं तो मैक्सिमम तक गया हुआ है कि ग्रैंडफादर तक, और क्योंकि बीच में पिताजी हैं इसलिए ग्रैंडफादर याद है। लेकिन ऐसे लोग भी हैं जहाँ ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर ने अगर जमीन छोड़ के गया हुआ है कि अपने पोते के पोतों के लिए, कि कोई नहीं हाथ लगा सकता है, तो जो पोता का पोता जो है वो बंदा को भी याद है कि ये मेरा दादाजी या दादाजी के परदादाजी थे। सो ये लेगेसी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो अगर आप अपने क्लाइंट्स को बताएंगे कि आपको अगर पोस्टरिटी के लिए आपको याद रखना है, तो ऐसा एक पॉलिसी ले लीजिए और किसी संस्था को के नाम पे डाल दीजिए, तो आपका नाम परमानेंटली, मतलब जब तक वो संस्था है या अगर अच्छा संस्था है तो दो दो तीन तीन जनरेशन तक चलता जाएगा, तो आपके नाम वापस मिलेगा। तो दिस इज वन पर्टिकुलर लेगेसी वाला जो थिंग है विच इन आवर कंट्री हम लोग नहीं बेचते हैं, लेकिन अगर ये वुड बी द नेक्स्ट बिग बिजनेस दैट वन कैन लुक इनटू। और इसके ऊपर अगर आपका हाई नेटवर्क क्लाइंट्स है, एक बार बोल दीजिए ना कि सर आप एक 10-50 लाख का पॉलिसी ले लीजिए, स्कूल को डोनेट कर दीजिए, जब भी गए तो स्कूल को 50 लाख आ जाएगा, आपका नाम बोर्ड पे आ जाएगा। तो दो चीज हो जाएगा, बोर्ड पे भी नाम आ जाएगा और आई मीन आपका बिजनेस भी आ जाएगा, एंड दे विल बी हैप्पी। सो लास्ट में जो है वो कहते हैं कि व्हाट्स द मिथ्स ऑफ, वन सेकेंड, मिथ्स अबाउट फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग। लोग कहते हैं इनको टाइम नहीं है, मेरे को प्लान नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को इंश्योरेंस नहीं चाहिए, इट्स ओनली अबाउट वेयर टू इन्वेस्ट, इट्स अ वन टाइम एक्टिविटी। तो ये सब चीज जो है, ऑल दीस आर ऑल ऑब्जेक्शंस। हम लोग तो ये ऑब्जेक्शन हैंडल तो रोज करते रहते हैं, इसके अंदर कोई बात नहीं है। So this brings us to I don't want to do this. Done. Power of compounding, everybody knows. One idiot thing. So this is what it is, and I submit and I'm done with my planning. Any questions anybody asks, happy to take it.
Hello, participants. You can ask the questions to Mr. Ravi Kumar.
सर अगर क्वेश्चन नहीं कर लीजिए, नहीं तो फीडबैक।
सर मैंने चैट बॉक्स में एक मेरा रिक्वेस्ट भेजा है, चैट बॉक्स में।
Can we have this PowerPoint in YouTube? Yes, you can subscribe to the channel Association of LIC Agents. You can listen to today's session whenever you want.
Ravi Kumar, एक क्वेश्चन।
हाँ जी,
एक क्वेश्चन या
बोले ना।
I know that your major business is coming from the up country. इंडिया से ज्यादा बिजनेस आपका है, तो एनआरआई के बारे में अगर आप कुछ बता देंगे तो लोगों के लिए अच्छा रहेगा। इफ योर करंट प्रेजेंटेशन इज ओवर, इफ यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू दैट, if you have to continue, you can continue. Otherwise, can you just throw little light on the NRI?
NRI clients में
how you are approaching them, how you are servicing them, what are the difficulties you are coming out, and how you are resolving all these things.
So basically NRI clients जो हमारे थे, existing clients जो यहाँ से गए हैं and वहाँ settle हो गए, and they are referring their own friends from circle from there. So today everything is, so जो insurance जो होता था, तो we used to do mail order business, जो हमने पहले भी mail order business किए हुए हैं. We have done a lot of mail order businesses and as per the corporation guidelines. So वहाँ पे एक ही only दिक्कत है, तो उनका medical कहाँ होता, but if the client is comfortable, So we have closed those particular policies. कई problem तो हमने कुछ आया नहीं आज तक. So if our basic documentations are taken into consideration, then we don't need to worry about it. Number one. Number two, since everything today is online, and that's the insurance part. बाकी का सब चीज के लिए we have everything online. So हमें तो Zoom call करते हैं या Google Meet करते हैं, and then we speak to a client, or maybe we do a direct call to the client and speak to them and get things resolved. So problems बोल के कहीं भी नहीं आया हुआ है. I hope that answers my question.
Yeah, definitely. So what is your experience that the country business is easy for you? Inland business is easy for you. What is your percentage of business?
Both are good. I mean,
No, both are good, but what is the percentage after all? Whether you are having a more NRI clients
No,
or more
40.
Indian clients?
No, more Indians. It's 60-40, 60 Indian, 40 abroad.
Okay. Now, are you giving your presentation, physical presentation, visiting the Gulf country?
No. Everything is on Zoom and call.
Not yet. Yeah, you are on the
No,
call
it doesn't
only.
mean-
And before Zoom or Google facility was there,
No, only
how
on
you are
phone.
convincing them?
Only
on phone
on
call.
phone. Or if I need to come back to India, or then I do that. Otherwise, no.
Okay. No, because nowadays some people are going Gulf countries or in other countries, and they are convincing their clients by having a minute.
Everyone has got their own approach. Everyone has got their own approach.
Yes, definitely.
It's perfectly fine. We didn't.
Yeah,
I mean, so
definitely.
for us, it was very. I mean, we are very fortunate that people don't want us to see. So काम paper में phone में हो जाता है. So life is good.
Okay, thank you
See,
very much. Thank you for sharing the truth.
No, so one thing, if you are honest enough in what you are advising to your customer, then the customer doesn't want to even look at you. He says, "Why time क्यों waste करते हो? वो जो बेचा है सही है. We trust you." So that trust factor is very important. So when you are not convinced, then you need to go and see the customer, and you have to be convinced. If you are convinced, then my personal opinion, I may be wrong, but that's what it is.
Yes, you are 100% right, Ravi Kumar. And is there any question from the audience side? Any participants want to ask any question? Now just see, this is a unique opportunity you are having. Otherwise, to catch the Ravi Kumar, it is a very difficult task. I am following him for more than 1 year. 1 year. At the last session only I was trying for him, but unfortunately there was some mishappening at his family side due to the corona and all these things. So he was busy in that, and he was totally engaged in that, and there were so many hurdles to catch him. So now he is available to you, and now he is on such a platform. अलीका के प्लेटफॉर्म पे है, और अलीका का प्लेटफॉर्म एक ऐसा है कि वहां पे कोई भी एजेंट चेयर पे बैठने वाले को कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है. You can ask any questions. He will not say what a silly question is there. He will encourage that question and he will answer that. Yeah, he is so friendly. You can ask any question. जैसे अभी मैंने पूछा, मैंने तो उसका सीक्रेट पूछा. Even then he has disclosed it. You can ask any सीट पे बैठेगा. ओ क्या अमिताभ बच्चन होने के बावजूद भी वो खुद हर सीट पे बैठा है. So now it is your turn to ask a question. You can ask any question. क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो करोड़ों का क्वेश्चन पूछिए ना, छोटू मोटू क्वेश्चन मत पूछिए. आप ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछिए कि जिसके सहारे आपका बिजनेस करोड़ों में हो जाएगा. Yes. Over to participants. Deepak Kumar Mane, you just check that if the participants are there, then it's okay. Otherwise, we can close it, the session.
Yes.
हम लोग जल्दी क्लोज कर रहे हैं. पार्टिसिपेंट के ऊपर है.
Participants, any questions do you have? You can ask Mr. Ravi Kumar.
Any questions or anybody wants to share their thought process? Also, we are open to listen. No? I mean,
I think there is no questions from the participants.
Yeah.
so either was too good or too bad.
No. The session was too good, informative. You shared a lot of your ideas, your experience.
Hello.
हाँ sir, Mr. Ramesh Kumar.
काय कुठलं समजलं नाही मला. Can I speak?
Yes, you can ask the questions.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Go
sir.
ahead.
Hello.
हाँ
Hello.
बोलो
बोला.
केलकर तुम्ही बोला.
Hello, can I speak?
Yes, you can speak. केलकर बोलो.
I think उनका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
वो बोल ही नहीं रहे हैं. वो तो
बोल ही नहीं रहे. हाँ.
वो समुद्र में बैठे हैं आराम से.
उनकी तरफ से प्रॉब्लम है, I think. हॅलो केलकर सर, बोला तुम्ही, क्वेश्चन्स विचारा. आय थिंक इज ऑफ नाउ.
Off, I think, yeah. Done.
No, there is a major issue in the internet service.
इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम है एक्चुअली थोड़ा.
So today we are having, yeah, internet का problem है. So that even now I also switch on to the mobile internet. My broadband is not working in that way. Yeah.
He's back now. He's back again.
Okay. Let him ask a question. रमेश कुमार जी, आप क्वेश्चन पूछिए. केतकर साहेब, विचार प्रश्न आपला.
आवाज नहीं है.
माइक म्यूट की.
देखिए, $1 million का $1 million का चेयरपर्सन या चेयर बैठे हैं यहाँ पे. कंट्री चेयर इज हियर. सो आप जोन चेयर नाउ. यू कैन एक जोन चेयर. चलो भाई, हमारे लिए तो आप हर बार चेयर ही रहते हैं.
कोई चेयर नहीं है, सिंपल है.
तो मेरा सब पार्टिसिपेंट को रिक्वेस्ट है, आप $1 million क्वेश्चन पूछिए कि जिस क्वेश्चन का आंसर से यू विल फाइंड सम वे टू द MDRT.
Hello.
हाँ.
Hello. Good morning,
Yeah.
sir. This is Vijay Kumaran.
Yes, yes.
I just want to know how many insurance companies you are dealing with. Only LIC or any other companies are there?
Only LIC.
Like, okay. So just I wanted to know that. And customer base is only below 100, I think, no? You said some families.
We have 750 families. We have.
750. Okay, sir. How do you deal with them? Means every month or visit? It is there visit or like?
No, we don't.
No visit.
So with such a big, so let's understand one thing. With such a broad base of clientele, so we have an 80-20 ratio. 80% of them gives you the maximum amount of business, and the 20% gives the maximum business. 80% generally are the base buffers that come, and the numbers keep changing. So it's not possible to go and visit everybody every time. So we have mechanisms put in place where we have, we have a constant touch with the customer at multiple points, as we normally do, maybe for some good occasions or a premium calls and things like that. So
actually, okay. Actually, I do visit every month. Actually, I'm in Mumbai only.
Okay.
So Mumbai-based customer, so I can go anywhere. And some people are there in Bangalore and in Kerala. Once in a while, I go to Dubai a lot. Thrice I had gone there. Then I
Okay.
brought some businesses from there. So,
Yeah,
many.
absolutely. There are lots of Indians there.
I am in Kalyan branch.
Oh,
So
okay. Perfect.
last 6 years I am MDRT. So
Okay.
this year actually not yet started. I started 2 policies from Kerala just now.
Oh,
Yesterday I
okay.
got the policies.
Mm-hmm.
I went along with agent of Kerala only. So because
Okay.
I cannot go outside because of this the lockdown.
Right.
So I took his help and he came with me, and I
Mm-hmm.
got 2 policies of 7 lakhs each.
Oh, wonderful.
So 14 lakhs policies I got it.
Mm-hmm.
So I
Mm-hmm.
started the business of this
Okay.
year
Oh,
from
that's
April. So
congratulations.
thank you. Okay, thank you very much. We got a lot of knowledge from you. I
Pleasure, sir.
also was working from 1980, sorry, not 80, 98, 23
Okay.
years.
Oh, wow.
I have been,
Okay.
yeah.
Thanks.
Okay, Ravi Kumar sir, thank you.
Sure, please, sir. Yep. Pleasure. Happy that I could share something. हाँ केलकर जी बोलो.
Yeah, one more question now. Since the pandemic is there for last 1 year, how have you changed your system of working by not personally meeting but doing online? Can you give some pro light on that so that it can be helpful for us also?
My system has not changed only. Before the pandemic, after the pandemic, it is always the same.
Yeah.
So yeah, so we would rarely go and meet clients. So clients come to the office to meet, and so that's one thing that has happened that we have transformed once we put our office in place and our processes in place. So clients come to the office, sorry, and so all the transactions used to be done from the office itself. So there has been how that has helped is your traveling time has reduced and your number of meetings actually increased. So at the time you're spending time on the road trying to catch a bus, train, and by the time you go to the or a car, and by the time you go to the client's house, you're dead up, so you can't present. So we encourage our clients to come to the office and we do a meeting. So now, and since we are online in terms of our other financial planning and other businesses for the past 5-6 years, we invested a lot of money into our hardware and softwares. We have a thin client, we have a server module for our office, and now today we are completely on cloud. We don't, in fact, if I switch off the office today, my complete office is working 24/7 on cloud. So we don't need to have a physical office also, but we still have a physical office now. So that's how we have transformed, and that has increased our output multifold. So that's why I encourage people to put more money into your systems and plays like your wealth magic. You take that thing, it's all cloud. You don't need to have a VM Pro in your. I mean, of course, you need to have a VM Pro to key in, but eventually, Wealth CRM takes care of everything on cloud. So wherever you are, you can log in and show the business.
Thank you.
And I'll tell you what, I can show you one more thing. I closed, so when Datacomp was having their web online, calculation of premiums and all some years back, I tell you it was way back 15, 16 years back. I don't know why they pulled it off. So I actually sold around 50 lakhs of single premium that time to a client sitting in his office using his own internet, his own computer, his own papers, and I just got the check back. So that's the power of the internet and the power of technology. So we have imbibed that completely, and that's how we are doing. No physical paper. Now Ananda aisa hai.
Yeah. I've been doing Ananda regularly.
Oh, good. That's nice.
Around 15-20 policies I've done.
Oh, good. That's nice. Yeah. Anything else, sir?
One more sharing from me. So now
Yes.
I will compliment Alika for arranging this meeting.
Go ahead.
After a long time, we have not been having any meeting through Alika because I am associated with Dia Thane, and Alika also was regularly coming to our meetings also. But I am happy that this was a good initiative, and they can have it every week so that we keep a slot for this webinars. Thank you, Alika, once again, Mr. Mali and everybody team. Thank you.
Alika used to have a grand meeting once upon a time years back.
Yeah,
And
I know that. Yeah.
they were the pioneers for this grand meeting, which actually eventually, when everybody started becoming too big, the meeting size started reducing. So so I hope this thing moves off and people come back to the drawing board once more.
In fact, Alika is a mother association of all the agents association. It is the first association formed in 1964. The LIAPI is also born out of Alika, and all others associations, they are from Alika itself. And Alika is the only MDRT accredited association. And the Alika is, as Ravi Kumar has said rightly, the Alika started the MDRT day first in Hotel President. The MDRT president, then he has visited and he has delivered the lectures. And then this MDRT day was taken by some other persons, and they are conducting now. The MDRT has formed their own this group for this MDI celebration of MDRT day. But Alika has started it for the first time. Alika was doing the meet in 5-star hotels with a very huge numbers of people. Alika has arranged the lectures of this Malaysia Nair company. They also, and as the attendance was really good, the people they got for the education side. Alika has started giving education to the agents, and then there are so many other institutes are there. Now there are the individuals are also there. There are so many people, hundreds of people are there who are giving the knowledge on insurance sale and this and that. Some are that much experts. वो तो बोलते हैं कि हमारे पास ट्रेनिंग ले लो, आप 5 मिनट में आप MDRT का सेल कर सकते हैं. पता नहीं अगर 5 मिनट में MDRT का सेल हो सकता है तो अपने इंडिया में MDRT कितने होने चाहिए. You just multiply 5 minutes multiplied by 20. Anyway, I'm not criticizing anyone. At the same time, we should be alert enough. The Alika is taking the giving the education to the agents at no cost. Means most of the this courses which the Alika is conducting, it is on the basis of a no loss, no profit basis. And after all, if there is a little profit, it goes to the corpus of Alika, which is again used for benefit of agents only. The R. Gopinathji session has been started in Mumbai by the Alika itself, and that's why Gopinathji is conducting the whole day session only for Alika. For others, he is conducting the half day, but for Alika, he said that till he is there and Alika is there, our contract is for the whole day, and I will conduct the whole day session only for Alika in the whole world. As most of the people, they know that R. Gopinathji is just an international renowned trainer, and he is conducting his sessions all over the world. But he is conducting only a half day, and for Alika only he is conducting the full day. And my request to most of the Alika participants are there to join the Alika's training. Now, as the Rameshji was saying, that previously Alika was doing and now he has not seen. But let me just give one information that when that Corona started last year, Alika is the first organization who started the webinars. And that was every day. Every day at 9 o'clock, people were switch on the this Google Meet, because they were knowing कि 9 बज गया तो Alika का session अभी चालू हो जाएगा. And the participants were so much so that most of the people, they were not getting an admission. Then they started complaining. They were started complaining कि अरे भाई हमको एडमिशन क्यों नहीं दे रहे, आप आपने मुझे मुझे डिनाई क्यों किया, आप मुझे क्यों नहीं ले रहे. आई एम ट्राइंग टू एंटर द रूम बट इट इज शोइंग दैट नो यू विल नॉट गेट एन एंट्री. ये क्या हो रहा है. इसलिए Alika started the YouTube channel. This is also for the first time Alika has taken a task that through the YouTube channel we are trying to reach to the lakhs of people. We know that if the Alika YouTube channel is starting, then we can reach to the thousands of people at a time. Not only that, even the session is over, you can visit the YouTube channel Association of LIC Agents. My request is that please the channel. If any participants present today, if he has not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it so that you will get intimation of all type of webinars of Alika but automatically. It is an automated system. As Ravi Kumar was saying, that टेक्नोलॉजी का अच्छा से इस्तेमाल करो तो आपका बेनिफिट ज्यादा होगा. अगर आप टेक्नोलॉजी से डर के बाजू में रह जाएंगे then you will be perish. अगर हमें तो पेरिश नहीं होना है, हमें तो आगे बढ़ना है, इसलिए हम लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. आपको टेक्नोलॉजी में देयर आर सम टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स आर आल्सो somebody voice is there, डिस्टर्बेंस इज देयर. एनीवे, हाँ, तो रमेश जी अलीका ने जैसे लास्ट टाइम में कम से कम नियरली अबाउट 40 सेशंस लिए थे एंड दैट वाज आल्सो एवरी डे एंड ऑल द सेशंस वेर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. till today we are providing these knowledge sessions complimentary and all the peoples are getting the intimation of these webinars in advance at least for 3-4 times or even more on a WhatsApp, whose numbers are registered with Alika. Also, who has subscribed the sessions, this Alika channel, they are getting thrice before the session the intimation from the Google itself that on a such a day, so and so speaker is there and is going to speak from this time to this time. You will get this intimation, but उसके लिए आपको सभी पार्टिसिपेंट को एक ही काम करना है. अगर आपके पास लैपटॉप है, मोबाइल है, अगर आपके पास गूगल है, तो आप काफी ऑन कीजिए, यूट्यूब में सर्च में जाके एसोसिएशन ऑफ अलीका टाइप कीजिए. अभी भी मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आप में से किसी ने अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी आप यूट्यूब में जाके सर्च में जाके एसोसिएशन ऑफ अलीका टाइप कीजिए, आपको अलीका का चैनल मिल जाएगा एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट सो दैट यू विल गेट अ रेगुलर इंटीमेशन. जैसे लास्ट टाइम जैसे हमने every day we were taking, then we found that there is some reluctance to participant side also to attend every day, so we make it once in a week. So now we are providing these sessions once in a week. Mostly it is on a Saturday. Of course, this next week we are having a 2 session. One will be on, it is for the referral, how to get a references from your clients. Referral, और रेफरल में इम्प्रूवमेंट कैसे करने का, रेफरल से प्रेफरल होना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो रेफरल ने आपको बिजनेस देना ही चाहिए. उसके लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता है, व्हाट आर द टेक्नोलॉजी, वी आर कीपिंग ए सेशन ऑन दैट. एंड द ट्रेनर फ्रॉम द इन्वेस्को, ही इज गोइंग टू give us all this technology of preference. So my request to all participants to join the Alika webinars whenever you get a call, please join the session, then you will have all this information. Thank you very much. If there is any question, please ask it, otherwise we will I will hand over this mic to the Deepak Kumar to give the vote of thanks, and we will conclude the sessions here only. Is there any question? still we are giving you the opportunity question. Please ask the question. Otherwise, Deepak Kumar Mane is ready to offer the vote of thanks.
Any
Yeah,
questions?
to Deepak.
Should I conclude?
Yes, go ahead.
Hello?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. Today's topic was journey of insurance distributor. Mr. Ravi Kumar has explained his journey. He has started his journey at the age of 18 as an insurance advisor, and how he shifted from the insurance advisor to financial planner. Thank you very much, Mr. Ravi Kumar. You have explained very much. You have shared your knowledge, your slides, PPTs of your today's session. I like your busy idea and your thinking process. Thank you very much once again for sharing your knowledge. Also, participants for attending today's session. Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure, and I hope I could give some insights and people could take away something useful. Thank you
Definitely,
very
sir.
much. Thank you very much for calling, and always be there for Lika. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Thanks, participants. Stay safe and be healthy.
Sure. I declare that today's session is over.
Thanks.
So my request to all the participants, please you can log out from this room. I'm going to close the room.
पूरा पूरा है रिलैक्स है बेसिक लाइफ आपका लॉग देखो आपके लॉग से बीच में एकदम 200 kbps की स्पीड आता है यूट्यूब लाइव चल रहा है मेरा काम चालू है सब किया हो गया पूरा शट डाउन करो लॉक चेक करो मैं जैसे बता रहा हूँ वैसा लॉक चेक अभी का 2 घंटा पहले का लॉक देखो कितना नेटवर्क कंजेशन 200 kbps का स्पीड है 10 mbps बोल के दिया 200 kbps का भी स्पीड नहीं इससे अच्छा MTNL है यार बोलता तो कम स्पीड पर सब देखा मैंने वहां पे पहले आता अभी मेरे ख्याल से अभी 22 MB 25 MB आ रहा है लेकिन जब मुझे बीटरिंग था बहुत सारा 5-10 मिनट के लिए 200 kbps का स्पीड 200 कंसिस्टेंटली 15-20 मिनट चाहिए आज में मैक रिसेट करना है तो मैं राउटर बंद करूं 2 मिनट जल्दी हो जाएगा तुम मैक तो रिसेट कर लो मैक रिसेट तो 2 मिनट का काम है अभी आपके हाथ में कंसोल रहेगा तो हो जाएगा हाँ कंसोल हेलो